Hi guys and welcome to Chef Unicorn. Today we're gonna be making dessert pizza. So we have flour, baking soda, salt, eggs, sugar, vanilla, and a little bit of coconut oil mixed with butter. Because we didn't have enough of butter. With all these ingredients. We're starting with all these ingredients and for the sugar cookie crust. So first, pour this in. Okay.
So start with the butter in the mixer for our sugar cookie crust, okay? Alright. Lift that sucker up. And let me get you a spoon. Hold. Nice job. Somebody got the giggles during this recipe.
Because I keep like giggling because I keep messing up on this ready.
Okay.
First we start mixing the butter to make it like a little just better.
To soften it up, right?
Yeah.
Turn it on a little higher.
8.
Not bad.
Second thing we add is the sugar.
Make sure you get half of it on the counter. That's key to your recipe.
It's not a sugar.
Okay, close it and start the mixer. Okay, now stop it. And now we add the eggs. So 1 egg at a oh my gosh. And once again, make sure you get half of your ingredients on the floor.
And then what do we do?
That's perfect.
And then what?
Did you add both of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa. That looks like buttercream. Now we're gonna pour the vanilla. I don't want to shower the bowl where it spills. It's delicate.
Go ahead and add these two.
So which one first?
So add the powder. So that's the baking powder and the salt as well. Tap on the back of it with your hand. Get it all out. Alright, perfect.
The yuckiest part.
And now start the mixture a little bit. Okay. Just low.
We're gonna add a little bit of the flour and like a little bit at a time. And look, I made my hand clean.
That's awesome. Clever things. Great job. So just a little bit at a time until all the flour is gone. Okay, pour the rest in. Fantastic. Nice job. Let's spread good. Alright. I'm gonna scrape the sides.
So we wrapped the cookie dough up and then we're gonna put it in the fridge at least for an hour. Hi guys and welcome back to Chef Unicorn. Now we just got this out of the fridge and then we're gonna bake the crust.
try this at home. All right. 10 minutes. We'll pull it out.
And now we're gonna mix the sauce. It has cream cheese and Cool Whip. And
A
you
full
need a
package?
full package and a full package of this.
All right. So we're gonna whip those together in the bowl, and that's gonna be basically our sauce for the
We don't have a
dessert
whole one
pizza.
right now, but
Chef Ladybug, what are you doing over there? Oh my goodness.
okay.
Just having
Oh my
fun.
gosh.
Okay.
This looks like
Put it in the
butter.
bowl, not in there. Yeah. In the mixing bowl. Perfect. And we're gonna start whipping that up. Pretty good, huh? Just use the whisk to scoop it all over.
Okay.
That's what that's for. All right. Perfecto. Nice.
This is a balance bite, Chef Ladybug shows. It's a balance bike.
It's a balance bike, yes. You're learning how to ride on that puppy, aren't you?
Yeah.
Woo. Yeah. Whoa, easy, baby.
And watch this. Wow.
Woo. Nice job.
This, because I don't want to miss to do this because I just need to practice it.
Yes, practice is always helpful.
Yeah.
Great job, Chef Ladybug. How's it coming over here, Chef Unicorn?
Good, but it's hard.
All right. We'll check back in after it's fully mixed together. Bye.
We got the cream cheese and the Cool Whip whipped together for the sauce. And then we're gonna add some powdered sugar and some vanilla.
All right.
Because we tasted it and it doesn't taste as sweet as we thought. 1 teaspoon?
Slow, pour slow. That's good. Perfect. Yeah.
I need to go
Great.
slow on my bike.
Yeah.
But don't you dare.
Better? Great. That's what we like to hear as chefs.
Don't you dare. Hi guys and welcome back to Chef Unicorn, and today we have Chef Captain Hook with us.
Welcome back, Chef Captain
And
Hook.
so I get a half of the pizza and she gets the half, and we're gonna decorate it.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
So Chef Unicorn is going to start by putting the sauce on her side. And Chef Captain Hook is waiting for her turn patiently. Or not very patiently. Oh, it looks so good. All right. Nice job. Nice job. Okay, Chef Unicorn finished up her side, and now Chef Captain Hook,
Cap.
or Captain Cappy for short, is doing her side. Nice job, Cap. Can you get?
We have to cook this.
No, it's already cooked. Good question, though. So the sugar cookie crust is all cooked. We used pretty much all of the cream sauce we had. Oh yeah.
Those all kiwi.
Nice job, guys.
Because me and my sister love kiwi.
Very
And then a
nice.
sprinkler. Captain Hook. Captain Hook's sister and brother don't like bananas because I'm gonna share.
She's gonna take a giant slice home
This
for
is my
her.
side, the neat and organized side. This is
Yeah.
her monster. Messy room.
Very nice. Oh, it looks so good.
But it's better when it's messier.
Could be.
Maybe.
That's open for interpretation. Great job, guys.
Cookie guys.
So there is the final product. Dessert pizza, and somebody's eating blueberries. All of them. Which I don't have a problem with because blueberries are really good for you. All right. And so are strawberries. All right. Cool. And so are bananas. You look like a monster. All right.